Hello, hello! Welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have some adorable gnomes for you today. So something slightly different, a gnome with a big nose peeping out from under his hat to say Merry Christmas or just to send a greeting card at this time of year. So come on, let's take a look and see how the gnomes are made. To make our cute gnome card, you will need some red paper for the gnomes, some cardstock, I'm using some purple, and some offcuts to decorate the card and the gnomes with. So to begin with, I'm going to begin a little bit different this time actually. I'm going to decorate the card first, and I want to create a little bit of a scenery. You don't have to do this. The paper I'm using is exactly the same size as the card, so I'm just going to make a little, I don't know, snowy winter's scene. It doesn't have to be winter. You could make these gnomes any time of year. They could be, I don't know, in a wood with lots of little mushrooms. You know, you just choose how you would like to decorate them. It still works for whatever season you're doing it. But I'm choosing to make it a winter scene. So stick it down as neat as you can. You could also just use a beige card or a white card and decorate it with pens. That would look really nice as well. Stick it down as neat as you can. And then make a crease in the center. A little bit of a background. There we go. What is it with me and cards and not being able to get the white in it super neat, but that's okay, you won't notice it too much. There we go, a little bit of white. Now I'm going to cut out some simple trees. I'm just going to make triangle trees because it's just the background. I don't really want to spend too much time on my background. 1 tree, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a little one. There we go. Let's see if we need them all. And I'm just going to put them all around the back. Just stick them down and draw on a little black stem. So again, nice and easy background because you know the main bit is yet to come. Might not even use them all. Looks really cute, don't you think? Little tree there. Get my pen, wherever that's decided to go. And draw some little so cute. Nice and easy, right? So we have our background. Now let's make our gnomes. Put this all to the side. Get our red paper. They're going to be quite cute and big. So our red paper, they're going to have long hats, so I've got a slightly bigger piece of paper than normal. But as with my other concertina type crafts, we're going to fold it into 6 folds. Now I created a little template for myself. We'll talk about that shortly, but that will help me get the fold right. But to be honest, it's not an exact science. It's just have a go, draw some characters and experiment. You can always experiment with scrap paper first. That's what I like to do. I like to waste not any paper. And that's why I make myself templates with scraps. A really good way of using up old paper. Cut off the edge. Pen. So now you've got your 3 or your 6 page sides, 3 folds. Here's the closed bit, here's the open bit. when you're doing your gnome tracing, think of a big round-ish body. So I've gone round or slightly oval, and then a nice big hat. I'm actually going to make mine a bit longer than my template. This is why it's good to have a go at templates, because you can have a little play and see. So if you think here's a nice round body, and it's got to go right to the edge to connect our little gnomes. And now the moment of truth. Will these look good or not? I think they're super cute. Can't really tell yet, can you? But don't worry, we're going to decorate some more. First thing I want to do for my little gnomes, I'm going to go back to my white paper. I'm going to use this basic shape so that I know how big my gnomes are. So, and then maybe flap it open, just so I have an idea of my gnome's body. So this is my gnome's body. I now need to cut a beard into this shape. And I'm going to just basically go for it. I need 3 beards, so I'm cutting 3 at the same time. And this is my 3rd one. There we go. And so my beard, I think, will be see what that looks like. I can always trim it a little bit afterwards. Move all our little sprinkles to the side. Does this look like a good beard? Let's see. I think it's quite good, quite big, but we'll leave it just now because we're not finished yet. The next thing we need is a little nose. I'm going to do 3 noses. So, another piece off. Quite a bulbous nose. Okay, let's just stick it down, see what happens. They're going to overlap a little bit, the beards, but that's okay. I don't mind. I think with the folding, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. I could have made the beard a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Let's see. Ta-da! They're cute. I love them. Look at that. Perfect. And I don't think it matters too much if you can see behind them or not. That's what the background's for. Just a bit of distraction. Just rounding that off. It's a bit square. Round that off. And now we're going to stick them into place. I think I might stick them like so. So fold them, put glue on one side, place where you want them. I think I'm going to have them relatively low down. Place the other one and glue all the way to the top. Shut, secure, and the moment of truth. Let's see. Look Look at that. And I love that when you kind of move it around, you still see behind the scenery a little bit, but I think they are super adorable. Aren't they fun? Right, so that's another one of my lovely pop-up cards for the Christmas season and beyond. If you like this little gnome, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to hear from you again soon. Take care. Bye.